Hi guys, welcome to the next video in the transition to the AI engineer series. In this video, we are going to look at the Jupyter Notebook tool. So let's get straight into it. A Jupyter Notebook is an interactive coding environment that runs in your browser. Instead of writing an entire program and running it all at once, we write code in small blocks called cells, and run each cell independently. This is actually perfect for AI work where we can check every step and its output. Installing Jupyter Notebook is easy, just one command you need to run from your command prompt. So open your command prompt and install using pip install Jupyter. Let's wait for some time. This installs everything in one go. The Jupyter tool, the notebook interface, etc. Once done, we can actually launch it with another command called Jupyter space notebook. This will open a browser and open the Jupyter Notebook for us. We can go to File, New, click on Notebook. Select the defaults. Now here is the block or cell where we can actually execute our Python code. Let me write some basic code just to check it's working or not. And there is a run command here. You can see the output coming in here. Please run some more command. Can write multiple lines also. Let's check the NumPy version that I had installed earlier. We will talk about NumPy in next videos. Just want to check its version. This is the command to do that. np.__version__. And then just run it. You can see the version coming as 2.4.4. So it's working fine. This is actually the Jupyter Notebook in action. Now let's see some comparison between Jupyter Notebook versus the Google Colab. In our last video, we covered Google Colab. So which one we should actually use? Now one thing to note is that Google Colab runs on Google servers. For that, no installation needed. In addition to that, we get a free GPU access, great for quick AI model experiments and machine learning. While Jupyter Notebook runs locally on a machine. So your data stays private, you can work completely offline, and you have full control over your environment and packages. So for learning and experimenting the model or machine learning, Colab is great. But for professional AI work with some real data where privacy is a concern and we want to quickly test some small piece of code, then local Jupyter is better choice. We cannot test actually the models here because we need GPU and more memory. So that's Jupyter Notebook. We learned how to install it, how to run it, and we also compared with Google Colab. If this was helpful, hit the subscribe button and we will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.